Binodanand Jha was a significant figure in the struggle for India's independence, who later became the third Chief Minister of Bihar. He was born on April 17, 1901, in a Brahmin family in Devghar, Jharkhand. He left his education behind to join the freedom movement driven by the goal of liberating India from British colonial rule. Despite facing challenges, he actively participated in politics for almost 5 decades, both during British rule and after independence. His contributions to the freedom movement included significant roles in the years 1922, 1930, 1940, and 1942, often resulting in imprisonment. During one jail term, he faced a life-threatening situation when an English commissioner in Santhal Pargana attempted to take his life. He was imprisoned in Damka jail at the time, where he was assigned the task of breaking granite rocks to create gravel. He requested special goggles to protect his eyes during this work, and a commotion arose when other prisoners threatened to do the same while wearing goggles. The commissioner decided to transfer him to Devghar jail, potentially putting his life in danger during the journey. However, police officers who were responsible for his transfer were swayed by his eloquence and diverted their route. When an English officer tried to shoot him, the accompanying police officers protected him. Binodanand Jha's journey reflected his steadfast commitment to the cause of freedom. He was known for standing resolute behind bars, embodying the spirit of revolution from within prison walls. His dedication to India's independence was remarkable, as he actively participated in various movements and faced challenges head-on. His role in the freedom movement was marked by his willingness to endure imprisonment and persecution for the cause. His contributions were not limited to the freedom movement. Jha also became a key figure in Bihar's politics. He held the position of Chief Minister, reflecting his stature as a social and popular figure. Jha's journey from leaving his education behind to join the fight for independence to becoming a prominent political leader showcased his determination and resilience.